Hello po, good day po sa inyong lahat at sana'y nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan at patnubayan po ng ating poong may kapal ang bawat isa sa atin. Myrna Isguera, the reigning Binibining Pilipinas International 2024, has made a triumph return to her hometown in Abra Province, coinciding with the vibrant celebration of Cordillera Month. This special occasion marks a heartfelt homecoming for Myrna, who has always been a proud ambassador of her cultural roots and heritage. Upon her arrival, Myrna was warmly welcomed by the local community, who regard her as an inspirational figure and a source of pride. Her return is particularly significant during Cordillera Month, a celebration that honors the rich cultural diversity, history, and traditions of the Cordillera region. Myrna's presence adds a layer of prestige and excitement to the festivities as she embodies the beauty, intelligence, and cultural pride of the Cordilleran people. During the celebrations, Myrna anticipated the various activities, including traditional dances, cultural exhibitions, and community gatherings. She took this opportunity to engage with the locals, sharing her experiences and advocating for the preservation of Cordillera culture and heritage. Her involvement in these activities highlights her commitment to her roots and her role as a cultural ambassador. And Myrna's homecoming is a testament to her deep connection with her hometown and her unwavering dedication to presenting or representing her community on a national and international stage. As a Binibining Pilipinas International 2024, she continues to inspire and uplift the spirits of those around her, showcasing the true essence of Cordilleran beauty and resilience. Maraming salamat sa inyong walang sawang suporta. Hinihiling ko ang inyong tulong sa pag-like, pag-komento at pagbahagi ng aking munting channel. Pagpalain kayo ng may kapal sa inyong kabutihan at pagmamalasakit. Bye-bye!